Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply a strike-through to your text on Figma. So let us get started. Alright guys, head over to your Figma project. Let me go with that website project here, design, and let me find the text for demonstration purposes, like with that title here. So let me zoom in and show you how to do it, guys. There are basically two different ways how you can apply a strike-through. The first option would be to simply select the given text box, double click into it to highlight the given text, just like that, or only a part of the text like this word. So let me go with that word here. That is also going to open up that customization panel here on the right hand side, guys. So what you want to do is head over to the typography section here, and after that click into these settings here to the right, type settings, and from that menu opening up here to the left, simply select your preferred decoration like underline or strike through, or you may go with more of these details. So if you'd like to apply a strike through, simply select it, and there you go. That's the strike through effect. So that's the first option, guys. Let me just show you also option number two. Option number two would be to simply apply a custom path or path as a strike through. To do that, select the pen tool here at the bottom, or use the shortcut P, and draw a straight line by left clicking, by holding left shift on your keyboard to stabilize the given line, and by left clicking again to draw the line. Click off with your right mouse, just like that. Select the move tool here to the left, or use the shortcut V. And after that, guys, click into your path here and customize its weight here to the right under stroke. You may, for example, click into it and apply a custom number as a weight, like, I don't know, 10, for example. Press enter and make the path or the line thicker or thinner, or you may customize the given path's weight by left clicking into that weight box here to the right till you see that double-headed arrow, and after that simply move your mouse to the left or to the right by holding your left mouse and apply a custom thickness or weight of your strike through. And last but not least, simply move the given line onto your word, just like that, to apply a custom strike through, just like that. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.